How to change private channel to public channel on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that launch the Telegram application. As you launch the Telegram application, scroll down and select on the channel that you want to change to public from your private channel. So let's tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. So let's do that. And as we tap on it, you can see the pencil icon at the top right corner. Select on the pencil icon, and here you can see the option of channel type. Select on the channel type option, and here you can see we have toggled it on for private channel. Now since we want to change it to public, simply select on public channel. So as we turn into public channel, it can be found in search and anyone can join them. So you can simply tap on the check mark at the top right corner of the screen after you have turned it to public channel, and you can also manage the invite links and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.